Hello everyone, my name is Shalu and I'm the founder of Plantium, and I'm super excited to have all of you here on the day one of our 7-day dairy-free challenge. First of all, thank you so much for joining in. This challenge is very close to my heart because going dairy-free has been truly life-changing for me and my family. I was running a bakery business in Bangalore when my husband was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease called ankylosing spondylitis, for which the doctors said that there's no treatment. And I was desperate to get him out of his pain. And that's when I started looking for natural alternatives, natural ways of healing. And I came across the concept of plant based healing for the first time because that was a time when we were eating almost everything, including meat and dairy. We thought of giving it a try, and the results that we got were incredible. My husband was able to reverse his autoimmune disease, and now his quality of life is so much better. That's when I trained as a plant based nutritionist. I started helping people reverse their lifestyle diseases because while on this journey, even I started feeling so much better. I started sleeping better. I had more focus. I had fewer mood swings and I had so much energy. So I wanted more people experience this and explore this path. More than anything else, I also started feeling more aligned to my values, and that was such a beautiful experience. I saw that a lot of people got stuck at the tea and coffee, which they were so used to having using the dairy milk. And that's how Plantium was born, with the aim to have products which were dairy replacements, but very easy to use and very tasty. So we make tea, coffee, and other dairy alternative premixes at Plantium now. And I really wanted to help more and more people explore this, but in a more fun and more easy, more practical way. And that's why the 7-day dairy free challenge has started, where we've got amazing things lined up for all of you, including 7 lip smacking easy to do recipes, some fun facts, information about plant based nutrition, especially when it comes to kids nutrition, because even I have 2 kids, 10 years and 8 years, and I'm raising them vegan. So I know that's a big concern. We are also going to learn how to make easy swaps for our curds, milks, cheese, and other commonly used products. We'll be having lots of Q&A interaction, and there's a surprise waiting for all of you at the end of the 7 days. So it's going to be really simple, useful, and very, very empowering. So now I would like to learn from all of you, what is your reason for going dairy free, for trying out this challenge? Is it health? Is it animals? Is it the environment? Is it lactose intolerance or just curiosity? So I'm going to put a poll in the group. I would be waiting to look at your answers, look at your responses, and I'm super excited, very happy. Let's begin this journey together. See you all.